This is Activity 2.1 on page 40, Sorting and Grouping Messages. The digital media campaign project is slightly behind schedule, and you're concerned about the team's request for additional resources and the corresponding budget implications. Each team member's weekly status update includes a breakdown of expenses to date. You want to review recent status update emails and assess expenditures. To save time, you want to group your message list in alphabetical order by subject. You then decide to add additional grouping criteria, so messages are grouped first by subject, then by the sender's name, and then by the creation date. It's likely you'll want to view messages by using these criteria again, so you will create and save a view. Number 1, in Mail, select your inbox to display your message list. Okay, so I have my inbox shown now. How are your messages grouped? The messages are arranged by date and grouped under headings of today and possibly yesterday or last week. So I don't have any new messages from today, just yesterday. And if I scroll down, here we have last week as well. Not sure if I have any older than that. I think I may have deleted them. Yeah. Okay, so the oldest I go is last week, it looks like. So yesterday and last week. And how are messages sorted? The messages within each group are sorted in descending order by date received, with the newest at the top. So all of these messages that I received yesterday, you can see the most recent was from Judy at 5:11, and then as you go down, the older they get. Number 4, group messages by subject. We're going to select the by date drop-down arrow, which is located here, and we're going to select subject. Messages are grouped by subject and sorted alphabetically by subject line content. Similar to working with messages in conversations, you can collapse and expand the message group headings. So if I scroll all the way up, this has no subject, which is why it reads none, but I can collapse and expand these different groups. So this is AA font test. All of those messages go with that. About us. And again, I can collapse and expand as needed. Number 5, use the Group By dialog box to specify multiple grouping criteria. I'm going to go up to my View tab, and in my current view command group, select View Settings. This opens up the Advanced View Settings dialog box. We're going to select the Group By button. We want to uncheck Automatically Group According to Arrangement. And in the Group Items By drop-down list, we're going to select Subject. And we want to make sure that the sort order is ascending. And we're going to check off Show Field in View. And then the First Then By drop-down, we want From. So whoever sent the messages is going to be our next grouping. And then we want that in ascending. Also check off Show Field in View. Then the Second Then By drop-down is going to be Created in descending order. Again, Show Field in View. And then the Expand Collapse defaults, we want all expanded. And click OK. And then number 6, observe your new view settings. In the Group By, you can see subject ascending, and then from ascending, and then created ascending. And click OK from here, and you'll get the overwhelming grouping. So first is the subject, then who it's from, and then when it was created. So if I scroll down to, let's see, the About Us, so these were all about us, but then it groups it depending, in alphabetical order by who it's from. So we have the A's, then it goes to the C's, and if there was multiple by the same person, it would then put it in descending order of when it was created. Okay, so these are just sorting in different groups. All right, number 8, we're going to name and save this particular view. So on our View tab, we're going to go to our current view group and the Change View dropdown, and we want to save current view as a new view. We're going to name this My Grouped View. And in the Can Be Used On section, we're going to select this folder, visible only to me, and click OK. And now when we go to our Change View dropdown, you can see this first option here, My Grouped View. So I could switch between different views, and I have that one saved if I wanted to use it for the future. We're going to select the single button to change the view. We can switch to Compact View. And now we're going to reset the compact view back to its original settings. Select the Change View dropdown, and we're going to go down to Manage Views. And here you can use this dialog box to create, copy, modify, rename, and delete views. So in our list, we're going to select Compact. And to the right, we're going to select our Reset button. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to reset the view compact to its original settings? Click Yes. And then we can click OK from here. And you can see we're back to our normal, much less overwhelming view. So we have my yesterday category, and if I scroll down, it would move to last week's messages. So all ordered by date. All right, we can leave this open for our next activity.